Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventures, and today we're gonna make cherry tarts.
But we don't have cherries.
We don't?
Yeah.
Oh, well, let's think. Bing! I know, we can go cherry picking.
Good idea. Let's go.
Yeah!
Come on. Let's keep going this way to find good ripe cherries. Hey, this way first. Okay, this way. Get some good ones. See? Good ones. Come on. Let's start climbing the tree. You have to find a good branch to put your feet on so you don't fall. Okay? I got one. There you go. It's not there. I'm not on that branch. Oh my God. Anyone? I'm not told. Okay, can I try? Can I try?
Jason
Hi.
can't just stay in here with a couple in his hand. He needs to pick.
Hey, that's my bag. That's the bad bag. Come on, let's go. Thank you. No.
We're back from cherry picking. Here are all the cherries we got. Oh man, this is heavy.
You make sure you have to get dark ones.
And make sure they're washed after you pick them, of course. Now we can make cherry tarts. Let's get started. To make our crust, you will need 1 gallon Ziploc bag and 1 pack of honey graham crackers, which is about 10 crackers. You will open up your bag and open up your crackers. Pour your crackers into the bag. Close your bag, make sure there's no air in it, and zip. Get any tool you would like to use and crush up those crackers. I can kind of smell them. Can I try that tool, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. After you finish crushing your graham crackers, then you will need
11 tablespoons of unsalted
butter, room temperature. Now, let's get started. Now, work it with your hands. This is very interesting.
I like it. Feels good.
Smells amazing. If your dough looks like this, you're ready to put it in a pie tin. Let's get started. Push it in.
Smells good.
If your pie crust looks like this, then you're ready to bake it. For this step, you will need parental supervision. You will preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Bake 350. Start. Bing! Make sure you stand back, because if you don't stand back, you'll burn yourself. And because the hot air will come out.
And make sure you have parental supervision when you do this step. Now, open the oven and put in your pie crust. Be very careful. Put it in, close the door, and set a timer for 10 minutes. And start. To start your custard, you will need 1/3 cup of milk and 8 egg yolks. Get a mixer, pour in your milk, and mix. Pour in 1/3 cup of sugar, and then mix again. Make sure you hold your bowl, or else it'll slip and slide everywhere. Then pour in another 1/3 cup of sugar. Then mix. Mix it up. You can put your flour in a flour shaker because when you shake it, it takes out all the clumps of your flour. Now you will pour your 1/3 cup of flour into your mixture. Then mix it up. Be careful not to spill any so you can have as much custard as intended. Pour your mixture into your pot and let it boil until it starts to bubble. Bloop, bloop. Now that your mixture looks like this, you will add in the milk. Pour in your 2 cups of milk. Then mix. If your custard mixture looks like this, now you can put in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you can
Put in your 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter.
There you go. And then mix it. May I try? Thank you. Mix it well. Once your custard looks like this, you can pour it into the plastic wrap. Now you can put your custard into the fridge till it cools and looks custard-like. Now that we have finished having our custard cool, we can decorate ours. Let's get started. Put a little bit of custard in yours, or as much as you want. Put in your custard and use any type of fruit toppings you want. Whoa, it looks delicious. That's a lot of cherries. It looks amazing. Well, now, let's dig in. Pretty good. Thank you for watching 4Kids Daily Adventure, and I hope you liked this episode.
And if you like this episode, make sure you give us a big thumbs up or subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.
See you next time!
Welcome back from 4Kids Daily Adventure. 11 tablespoons of unsalted butter.
Room temperature. Butter.
Butter.
Okay, we're ready.
Oh my god. Butter. And set your oven. You're not your oven.
Okay, read it.
Okay.